Okay, y'all, welcome back to my Naturally TV channel. This is the makeup look that I'll be doing on today, and if you guys like this look, then stay tuned for more. Okay, so we're going to start off with the brows. I am using the Morphe palette, and I'm also going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, the color Warm Honey, to conceal the brows. Sorry y'all, I forgot to apply the makeup base first, so that's what you see me doing here. I am using Luar. It is infused with pure gold, and I really do enjoy this product. I really like it. It's really good base. Okay, and now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, color Warm Honey, and I'm going to conceal my brows. And yeah, quick fun fact, I like to add the 4 dots, so I have to go back and forth getting some more products. I just like to have it right there sitting ready for me to use it. So yeah. Okay, and so I'm going to use that same concealer and I'm going to apply it on my eyelid and use it as a base for my shadow. Okay, so as you can see, I have already completed one eye, so I'm going to show you how I got this look on the other. Okay, so now I'm going to take these two colors right here and I'm going to apply them onto my brow bone. And now I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to apply it onto the crease. Okay, now the same two colors that I used for my brow bone, I am going to apply them onto my eyelid. Okay guys, so now it's time for the contour. I will be using both LA Girl Pro concealer shades. I will be using Warm Honey and Fawn for my under eye, and I'll be using the shade Fawn to highlight the bridge of my nose, the upper lip area, chin and forehead, and I will also use the Fenty Beauty Truffle for the contour. Okay, and now I'm going to use the same color I applied onto the crease, and I'm going to apply it onto my under eye area. Okay, and now I'm going to take this eyeshadow right here, and I'm going to apply it onto the inner corners of my eye. And for my false lashes, I will be applying the Lavon Lavish Minx. The name of it is Soulmate, and I love it. It's such an awesome look. You guys gotta check her out. Okay, and as you can see here, I'm just gonna clip the ends so it could fit perfectly along my lash line. Okay, so now I will be using my Duo Lash Glue, and I'm going to apply it onto the band, and I am going to blow on it and allow it to get a little tacky. And then I am going to align it across my lash line. Okay, and once I have them aligned, I like to pinch the false lash and my natural lash together. Okay, and now I'm going to be using Tarte for my highlight. Okay, and for my lip, I will first apply my lipstick. Is from Revlon. The name of the color is Naughty Plum. And then I will apply my lip gloss, which is from Lord & Taylor, on top. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like. Oh, she's beaming. Oh, get it, girl, get it. I know I'm not the only one that be feeling themselves after they finish, you know, getting all dialed up. So yeah, this is the makeup look. I hope you guys like. Oh, and the knotless braids, yeah, they were done by your girl. Yeah, y'all, so this is the outfit of the day. It's nothing too dramatic. It's something nice and simple with a dramatic eye. With a nice casual outfit. So yeah, I got this dress from Shein. I got it a couple years ago. I got this shirt from, I don't recall, probably Forever 21 or H&M. I got this Coach bag for my aunt. Ring from, I got it from a pop-up shop. And I got these shoes from, I seen it in S&A in the square. I was like, ooh, I like these. So, yeah. This is my outfit. I believe if Black lives truly matter to you, then it should matter from all angles, whether it's black on black or racial. We shouldn't get riled up when a white cop kills us, but then be on hush hush when it's one of our people. It doesn't work like that. We have to come together and protect one another. If you have a problem with someone, ask God for wisdom on strategies on what to do. We have to learn how to be at peace with one another. We can't keep getting angry at each other and just killing one another. You know what I'm saying? We can't try to build each other up and then tear each other down at the same time. It does not work like that. So we have to fight, to build, to stick together, to unite. The word of God says a kingdom divided against itself will fall. It will fall. So we have to unite and come together. If we want to see change, change begins with us. It starts with us. And it could be something as little as hugging someone, saying hello, picking up trash off of the ground, doing little stuff to keep the community together, supporting each other's businesses so people could open up stores and hire more people, that we will get some more revenue flowing in the communities. A lot of people are getting into real estate, so why don't we buy property in our neighborhoods so we could rent it out? You know what I'm saying? There's so much that we can do. I know it could be a bit of a challenge, but with God, all things are possible. He can open up doors that no man can shut. So yeah, seek God. I recommend that you seek God for wisdom and strategies on what to do. But yeah, I strongly recommend that we come together, learn to love one another and be at peace with one another, and to respect one another's opinions and learn how to agree to disagree without it going to the next level. So yeah, that's my take on that. Oh, and also read up on, which is I need to do, is to continue to read up on our history, so it won't repeat itself. We gotta learn a history so it will not repeat itself. We gotta stop this crab in the barrel mentality. Someone elevates and then we try to pull them down, and when we try to elevate, someone try to pull us down. That gotta stop. We gotta break the cycle. There's room enough for all of us to eat, okay? Plenty enough room for all of us to eat. So yeah, so that's my take on that, and yeah, have a blessed day. Bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means a lot. I appreciate all the love and support. I don't care if it's even one person. I'm so grateful to God for that one person. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you guys so much for following my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Love you. Bye. Okay, y'all, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup tutorial on the outfit of the day. Nice, cute, sleek, casual outfit and whatnot. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at naturallytv, where I'll be posting little cute quotes, which are scriptures, and telling my testimonies and stuff like that. So yeah, check it out, y'all. You see how cool that looks? Come on, follow me. Okay, and on a serious note, guys, I hope you guys truly did enjoy this video and the message behind this. Remember, if we want to see change, then change must first start with us. Change begins with us. Thank you guys once again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.